Cloud computing architectures. Cloud computing comprises of the two components. One is the front end and second one is the back end. Front end means that end from where a user is interacting with the system, and back end which is working at back end, which is providing the services. Let's explain the front end and back end in detail. Front end consists client part of the cloud computing. It comprises of the interface and application which are required to users to access the cloud computing platforms. It means ये user end है जिसके through a user could interact with the system. फ्रंट एंड में डिफरेंट इंटरफेसेस होंगी, एप्लीकेशन होंगी जिनके थ्रू यूजर हैव एक्सेस टू द सिस्टम क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स. While backend refers to the cloud itself, it comprises of the resources which are required for the cloud computing services. It means at backend we do have infrastructure as a storage. We do have the platforms. It consists of several virtual machines, servers, data storage, and we do have the different security mechanisms which have been implemented on all type of resources which are available at backend, and it is under provider control. We do have one service provider or may have multiple service providers, and all those providers are working together under one administrative unit for provision of services to the end users. Cloud computing is a strong distributed computing environment. Cloud computing, in a very simple case, distribute the file system that spreads over multiple hard disks, multiple storage media and machines, which may be located within an organization or multiple locations or in multiple places across the world. Data is never stored in one place. Only in a case one unit fails, the other will take over automatically. It means the system possesses the capabilities of fault tolerance. If failure occurs at one side, the system must have the capability to restore from the failure and keep on executions.